Biologically speaking, humans are the odd ones out in the primate family. A chimpanzee, roughly 2/3 the size of an average man, can generate nearly twice the dynamic force. For years, we thought this was purely genetic, but new research suggests it's actually about neural efficiency and how they use leverage. They don't isolate muscles, they integrate them. If you are over 60, you need to stop training like a bodybuilder, isolating biceps and triceps, and start training like a primate. We need to prioritize grip, tension, and structural integrity. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle, explicitly hunts down your fast twitch fibers, the exact ones responsible for that explosive, youthful power. If you want to keep them, you have to stop exercising and start moving under load. Here are the 5 movements that bypass the vanity of the gym and target the evolutionary markers of true strength. First, we need to address the dead hang. There is a massive correlation in geriatric medicine between grip strength and how long you live, yet we rarely train it. Chimpanzees spend years suspending their body weight. For you, simply hanging from a bar creates traction that decompresses the spine, opening up those stiff intervertebral spaces. But more importantly, it creates structural armor for your shoulders. Grab a secure bar, let your body hang fully extended, but keep your shoulders active. Don't let them shrug up to your ears. This forces the rotator cuff to stabilize the joint capsule. Start with just 10 seconds. It's simple, but it creates a resilient upper body foundation. From static hanging, we move to dynamic loading with the farmer's carry. This might be the most functional exercise in existence because it mimics the evolutionary necessity of carrying heavy loads over distance. When you pick up heavy dumbbells or kettlebells and walk, you engage in reflexive stabilization. Your rotator cuff, your spine, and your deep abdominal wall have to fire automatically to prevent the weight from swinging or pulling you off balance. This builds the kind of core strength that reacts to real life, not just the kind that looks good in a mirror. Walk for 30 seconds with a weight that actually challenges your posture. This creates systemic tension, which is the hallmark of that dense primate-level strength. Next, we have to fix the hips. Most people over 60 have lost the ability to deep squat, yet our primate cousins rest comfortably in that position. The goblet squat is the antidote. By holding a weight against your chest, you shift your center of gravity backward. This acts as a counterweight, allowing you to sink deeper without losing your balance or rounding your back. It's not about leg size, it's about lubrication. Descending into a full squat pumps synovial fluid into the hip and knee capsules, feeding your cartilage. It proves to your nervous system that deep ranges of motion are safe, preserving your independence. We then need to wake up the posterior chain with the Romanian deadlift. Modern sitting causes gluteal amnesia. Your glutes and hamstrings literally forget how to fire. This movement acts as a loaded stretch. You hinge at the hips, not the waist, lowering the weight while controlling the descent. That lowering phase is critical. In physics terms, it teaches your tendons to act like stiff springs, storing and releasing energy. This signals your body to lay down more collagen in the tissue. A stiffer tendon is a younger tendon, and that is the secret to moving with bounce rather than fragility.
Finally, we have the bear crawl.
It looks elementary, but neurologically it is profound. This is a contralateral movement. Your right arm moves with your left leg. This cross-body pattern forces the left and right hemispheres of your brain to coordinate. Physically, it ties your shoulders and hips together through the torso, requiring your wrists and toes to support weight. This triggers Wolff's law, which states that bone density increases under load. A slow, controlled crawl for 1 minute creates a demand on your heart and stabilizers that no machine can replicate. Staying strong after 60 isn't about crushing intensity, it's about mechanical fidelity. By hanging, carrying, squatting, hinging, and crawling, you are aligning your training with your biology. If you want more deep dives into research-backed longevity, make sure to subscribe. And I'm curious, which of these 5 primal patterns is currently missing from your routine? Let me know in the comments.